So let us start with the exercise number 2, question number 5 of the worksheet. Exercise 2, question number 5. Okay. Now, prior to that, last time I had given some formula. Modulus of x is less than k. So this implies x lies between minus k to k. Okay. This is one of the formula. Then if it is equal to, then this also is equal to. Okay. Then modulus of x is greater than k. Then x is greater than k, or means union. X is less than minus k. And if it is equal to, this also will be equal to. Okay. So this we had covered up last time. Exercise to question number 5. Okay. 1 upon modulus of x minus 3 less than or equal to half. Okay. Now these 2, 3 problems are quite specific to certain things. Okay. So step number 1, take that half on the other side. We require a 0 or something like that on the right hand side. Okay. Right. And I'm taking modulus of x as y. I'll take it as y. I'll just take it as y for simplicity. Okay. LCM 2 minus y minus 3 upon 2 into y minus 3 less than or equal to 0. Less than or equal to 0. Okay. So this 2, this particular 2, I'll just multiply over here. Will sign change? Yes or no? Will sign change?
No, sir.
This inequality will change? Yes or no? Please
No,
reply.
sir. No, sir.
Correct. Because 2 is a positive number. And what is the value of this? Everyone, what is the value of this? What is the value of this?
5 minus 1.
Correct. Good. So 5 minus y upon y minus 3 less than or equal to 0. So two things I have done. I've sent this 2 on the right hand side. No inequality change because 2 is a positive number. We are multiplying with a positive number. And at the top, we have just simplified this. Okay. Yeah. Now this thing, critical values. Will you tell me what are the critical values? Anyone? Come
So
on,
3
reply.
and 5.
Good. 3 and 5. These are the critical values because each individual term will equate with 0. Okay. Right. Now let's take a number 10. Okay. Put y equal to 10 in the left hand side. Y minus 5 upon y minus 3. The answer is positive or negative?
Positive. Oh, wait, no, negative.
This is negative. Okay. So the answer is negative. We are not concerned with the value. We are concerned with the sign, positive or negative. Okay. So this is negative. 10 is the representative of the third region. This is positive. Now this we have done many number of times. I don't think so you should have a problem in this. And this is negative. Okay. Now we should focus on less than or equal to. So since it is less than or equal to, y belongs to less than or equal to means negative. Less than or equal to means negative. So y belongs to this part and this part. Minus infinity, comma 3, union 5, comma infinity. Now for 5, we'll put a box bracket. For 5, we are going to put a box bracket. Okay. For 5, we are going to put a box bracket. Why not box bracket for 3? Anyone? Why not box bracket for 3?
So, because if you substitute bias 3 in the denominator, will be
Good,
0.
good, good, very good. So If you put y equal to 3 over here, this will turn out to be 0 and anything upon 0 is not defined. Okay. Now this union is OR. This union is OR. I'll just proceed now
So,
because
but the
our main
answer in the worksheet is different.
the solution is not yet over because y we took for our simplicity. But then what is y? Y is modulus of x. Correct? Y is modulus of x. So we are not interested in y. Y we just took for our simplicity. Y is modulus of x. Okay. So case one, y belongs to minus infinity comma 3. So modulus of x belongs to minus infinity comma 3. Okay. So modulus of x lies between minus infinity and minus 3. Minus infinity and minus 3. Now this is double inequation, double inequality or double inequation. Now the next part is quite crucial, so please be attentive. So this has two meanings. Modulus of x is greater than negative infinity and modulus of x is lesser than 3. Okay. This implies x is all real values because every real value is greater than minus infinity. What does this imply? Come on, tell me. Now you have attended linear inequalities, you should know this.
X is all real values that are lesser than 3, so it will be 1 and 2.
But then I have given the formula, na?
Oh, okay, wait.
So it can be minus 1, minus 2 also, na, as per your logic. Correct? So
Yeah.
instead apply this formula. Okay? Instead apply this formula. Okay? And I'll write and in between. And means intersection. And means intersection. We are doing case one. Okay? So modulus of x is greater than infinity. That means x is any real value. Because modulus of any real value will be greater than minus infinity. And in the second case, I am applying the formula. Why I'm writing and over here? Why not or? That is also important. Come on, tell me. I'm writing and because this is double inequation. These are not two separate cases. This is a single case which has both the conditions. So double inequation, use and, don't use or. Poor response. Are you understanding this or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, now see, now the next part is very crucial because there is and. Okay. So we have minus 3, we have 3, we have negative infinity, we have positive infinity. X belongs to real values. So X will be this entire thing. X will be this entire thing. All real values. It can be positive real, negative real. X belongs to minus 3 comma 3. Should I shade this minus 3 and 3?
No.
No, because there is no equal to over here. Every reason I'm giving, every reason. Now since there is and is intersection. So what is the intersection of these two lines? Which region? Which region?
So between minus 3 and 3.
Correct. So this is the common region. for both the lines. So for case 1, the answer is x belongs to minus 3 to 3, but then round bracket. It cannot be box bracket because there is no equal to over here. Yes, you have any doubts in case 1? So we have completed case 1. Now remember, this was case 1. Now there is union. Union is OR, okay? So case 1 or case 2. So now we will proceed with case 2. Prior to that, I hope everybody has copied case 1. If you are having any doubts, you can please ask. Yeah. So case 2, I'm starting with case 2. Okay. This is case 2. Y belongs to phi comma infinity. But then phi is box bracket. Okay. But then y is modulus of x. So modulus of x lies between 5 and infinity. Okay. Now again there is and, because it's a double inequation. So there are two cases over here, sub cases. So these are not actually cases, but then it's the same thing. Both the conditions are valid because it's and. Modulus of x is greater than 5 and modulus of x is lesser than
So it should be
infinity.
greater than or equal to 5, right?
Correct, correct. Sorry. Perfect. Good. That's right observation. Okay. Now in this case, can someone tell me what will be x?
Negative and positive infinity.
X will be entire set of real numbers from negative infinity to positive infinity. All real values, because all real values have to be less than infinity, right?
Yes.
Modulus of any real value should be less than infinity. Okay. So I'll just draw this over here. This is minus infinity. This is infinity. All real values. This part I have done. Now this part. Modulus of x is greater than or equal to k. So x is greater than or equal to k, or this time it is or, in the formula it is or. X less than or equal to minus k. So x greater than or equal to 5, or is union.
Minus
X less
5.
than or equal to minus 5. Okay. So we have minus 5, we have 5 over here. X greater than or equal to 5. So it's this. X less than or equal to minus 5 is this. 5 will be shaded because there is equal to. Now you tell me what is the common region for all the lines. What is the common region?
Negative infinity to minus 5. 5 to positive infinity.
Good, good, very good. So this is common for both the lines, na? Blue line is for the first part, pink line is for the second part. So this is the common region for both the parts. Okay. So x lies between minus infinity comma minus 5 union. Okay. 5 to infinity. But then 5 and minus 5 will have which bracket?
Box.
Box bracket. Okay. Now the final answer has to be presented properly. Okay. So it is case 1 or case 2. So the final answer will have answers from both case 1 as well as case 2 because it's
So
union between
won't
the two.
minus 5 won't have a like a will it will have a round bracket because if you input minus 5 then the sum becomes 0.
So
Because
0 is
it's
fine, na?
5 minus y in the numerator, right?
1 second, let me just check. So equal to 0 is also okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Fine, Siddhant.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, so see this. So case 1 union case 2. Okay, so x belongs to, for this problem, the answer for case 1. The answer for case 1 is minus 3 comma 3. And the answer for case 2, which we just solved, is this. This is the final answer. Please copy.
So can you show the first slide once where you inputted modulus x as y?
Yeah.
How did you get y minus 3 in the numerator? I got it, sorry.
It's LCM.
I got it.
Okay, so this was one of the typical problems. And I don't know whether they will ask this or not, but then conceptually you should know all this. I'll go to question number 6. Now in question number 6 in the worksheet, there is one small error. Acha, in question number 5 answer also, this should be box. They have just mentioned round. That's a typo, typing error. In question number 6, okay, we have to do some modification. We'll make it greater than or equal to half. Worksheet mate is less than or equal to, make it greater than or equal to, okay? Yeah. Let's take this modulus of x as y. Modulus of x is y. So the answer is for x, but then we are taking y for simplicity. So modulus of x is y. LCM, like the previous problem. Okay. This 2 you shift on the right hand side. So 2 into 0 will be 0, no sign change. 2 is a positive number. What is the answer for this?
3 minus 1.
Correct. 3 minus y. Okay. So 3 minus y upon y minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. 3 minus y minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Now this part is pretty simple. You know this. So this is 1, this is 3 critical values. Equate each and every term to 0, you'll get the critical value. Okay. I'll take one random value to the extreme right. 10. 10 is the representative of the third region. So put y equal to 10 in 3 minus y minus 1. The answer is positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative.
Negative. So this is negative, positive, negative. This time we are interested in greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0 is positive. So this is my interval. Y belongs to 1 to 3. Now for 1, will there be equal to?
No, sir.
Because if 1 is included, 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 in the denominator not allowed. 0 in the numerator is still fine. Okay. For 3, will there be equal to?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, absolutely. Okay. So
So I
is
have a
this the final
question.
answer?
So one question. If
Yeah,
in the signs it didn't give that it was lesser than or equal to 0, then would 3 still have the equal to below it?
I didn't get your question, sorry.
So my question is, if in the sum they hadn't, like in the
Mhm.
sum they've given that the entire inequation is greater than or equal to 0. So if they are
Mhm.
just given that it's greater than 0, then would 3 still have the equal to sign?
No, no,
No,
no,
right?
no,
Okay.
no. Because we don't require 0 as the answer, na?
Yeah. Okay, got
Here we can get 0 as the answer because equal to 0 is also there, na? That's why.
okay.
Okay, guys, so fill in the blanks over here. Come on, what should I write in between?
Modulus of x.
Perfect. Modulus of x. Okay. Yeah, I'll just copy this on the next page. 1 less than modulus of x less than or equal to 3. Guys, what is this? Anyone? What is this?
You separate the terms.
No, no, what is this called as?
Double
So
in
it's a inequation.
Double inequality or double inequation. So whenever double inequation is there, we should write and or
and
And
and. Okay. So the first case, modulus of x is greater than 1 and it's not or. Okay. Modulus of x is less than equal to 3. So x lies between -3 to 3 along with equal to. Okay. And here I'm using the formula. I'm just using the formula. And this is as per the formula, it is or. We are not assuming to be or. As per the formula, it is or. X is less than -1. So these are the two things which we have got. And there is and. Now number line. Now before I start with my discussion of the number line, just ask doubts if you have any. Okay. So the first part. So we have -3, -1, 1, and 3 as per all the values on the slide. X greater than 1. So x greater than 1 is this. Lesser than -1 is this. 1 and -1 is not shaded. So this is the first part. And or is union. So means both the red lines. So the first part is in red. Second part will be drawn in green. Okay. So second part is this. Should we shade 3? Is this right or
so
incorrect?
it's right. It's right.
Equal to is there, na? That's why. So this is the second part. Now this is and. And means intersection. So what is intersection over here, guys?
So -3 to -1 union 1 to 3.
Intersection means which is common to red as well as green line. Okay. This part where both red and green line is there on the top of it. So x belongs to -3 comma -1, -3 comma -1 union 1 comma 3. Now 3 is shaded and -3 is shaded. So box bracket, -1 and 1 round bracket. Yes, guys. Are you clear with this now?
Yes.
So
Okay. So answer are both these common regions. Okay. Question number 7.
So I have a question.
Yeah, ask.
So that there was an and between them both, so that would be intersection. So why do we put a union sign?
Okay, okay. Now this is a very good question that you have asked. This red colored part is the solution for the first part. Green colored part is the solution for the second part. So finally we got this, na?
Yeah,
We got this as well as this, na?
yes, sir.
So if you put intersection over here, is there anything in common between this?
No.
No.
Uh,
But then the answer technically is both of this. So this as well as this region. That's why union.
Okay, sir. Understood. Thanks.
Correct. So there can be a confusion like this. But then now is it clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Next question, that is question number 7. Okay. Y minus 1, y minus 2. Okay. Where modulus of x minus 2 is y. Number line 1 and 2. 10. Put 10 over here. You'll get positive or negative. Put 10 over here. You'll get positive or negative.
so you get positive.
10 minus 1 upon 10 minus 2. It will be a positive answer. I don't know why you people are taking time for this. So positive, negative, positive. 10 is a representative of the third region. Okay. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now less than or equal to 0. What is the meaning of less than or equal to 0?
Negative.
Correct. Negative. Perfect. So this part from 1 to 2. From 1 to 2. So y belongs to 1 to 2. What will have a equal to sign?
So the 1.
Perfect. 1 will have equal to sign. Is this the end of the solution?
No, so you have to put x minus 2, the modulus of it as y, and then solve further.
Correct. Good. Only 1 or 2 kids are replying. Others are sleeping, it seems. So clear? So modulus of x minus 2 is replaced over here because ultimately that is the answer. Yeah. This is double in equation. In between and or will come.
And
Okay. So the first case, modulus of x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 1. And the second case, modulus of x minus 2 is less than 2. So minus 2, add minus 2 on both the sides. So this will be 0 and this will be 4. So this is the answer of the second case. Number line, okay, 0 and 4. Should I shade 0 and 4?
No.
No. Now here which formula? This formula I've given you. Use this. Someone wants to try?
So modulus of x minus 2 is
No
greater than
modulus,
equal
beta.
to.
No modulus.
Oh,
Or
yes, sorry. Or less than.
so x greater than or equal to 3 or x less than or equal to 2 minus 1, which is 1. Okay. Let this be red colored part. So we have 1, we have 3 over here. Okay. And stretch the lines up to infinity. Yeah? Now you guys tell me what is the common region for green and red.
So 0, comma 1 and 3, comma 9.
3, 4 it is. Okay.
3, comma 4.
Who answered this?
So me given.
Okay, okay, great. So x belongs to, this is ultimately the final answer. X belongs to 0, 1, 3, 4 union in between, because both are the answers, na? This as well as this. There is no intersection between both. This is the final answer. Intersection हम लोग ने कर लिया. We found out because of and there should be something in common. So that we did. So ultimately this and this is the answer. So union will come. 0 round bracket or box bracket.
Round bracket.
0, round.
1,
Box.
3,
Box.
Or box.
4
Round.
round. So I've covered a lot of ground for numericals, pulled out the problems from different places. Okay. Only one or two things are remaining in the numericals. Then we'll go to word problems. Word problems are 5, 6 only. It will not take time. Yeah. One note you have to write down after this. Erasing this. So note 1, 2, 3, and 4. Modulus of x is less than modulus of y. This implies x square less than y square. Modulus of x less than or equal to modulus of y. X square less than or equal to y square. Clear? Just copy this. Okay. So in the worksheet, exercise number 2, question number 9, sub question 2. Sub question 3, sorry. Modulus of 5x less than modulus of 10 minus 5x. Modulus of x less than modulus of y. So x square less than y square. Clear, guys?
Yes.
Now solve this. 25x square less than 100 plus 25x square minus minus how much? 100x.
100.
So 25x square gone. Take all terms on the left hand side. 100x minus 100 less than 0. Okay. I've taken this and this on the left hand side. Right hand side I've kept 0. Take 100 common. Divide by 100. Inequality does not change. Why inequality does not change?
Sir, cos 100's positive.
Correct. When the inequality changes, guys?
When you divide by a negative number.
Correct. Divide or multiply. Fine. X less than 1. X less than 1. So x belongs to minus infinity comma 1. That also you can write. 9 sub question 4. Last numerical and then word problems will start. Exercise number 2, 9 sub question 4. Modulus of x minus 3 less than or equal to modulus of x plus 2. So x square less than or equal to y square. It is as per the note which I have given you. Okay, this formula I've used. Second one. X square minus 6x plus 9. X square plus 4x plus 4. So x square gone. 9 minus 4 is 5 and this is going to be 10x. So just reverse it. I'm not changing the inequality. This is just the reverse. Okay. 10 is a positive number. No sign change. X greater than or equal to half. Okay. Fine. Word problems after this. There are only 6 word problems. Quite simple. Yeah. Let me know when to start. Should I?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so exercise number 5. Question number 1. Find all pairs of consecutive even positive integers, both of which are larger than 8 and their sum is less than 25. So let the first even positive integer be x. Let first even positive integer be x. Therefore, second, which is the consecutive, even positive integer will be? Anyone? It will be?
X plus 2.
X plus 1.
See, if x is 2, 2 plus
So
what will be
x
3?
Then
plus
X plus 2.
2.
X plus 2.
X plus 2, okay? Now both are greater than 8. Both the positive numbers are greater than, positive even integers are greater than 8. This is the first condition. Okay? And sum of both. Sum of both. Okay? So sum of the first one and the sum of the second one should be less than 25. Okay? So case 1. What is the first positive integer, even integer which is greater than 8? What is the first positive integer which is greater than 8?
10.
10. Perfect. So this will be 12. This will be 12, right? Is the sum less than 25?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Correct, because the total is 22, which is less than 25. Case 2. Make this 12. So after 10, the next positive even integer is 12. So which will be the number after 12, which is positive even integer?
14.
14.
14. Calculate the total.
26.
So it's more than 25.
So this becomes more than 25. So there is no case 2, no case 3, nothing. There is only one case. So the answer is 10 and 12.
So is this really the working we can show?
See, yeah, because it's quite subjective, no?
Okay.
Yeah. Let's go to the sixth one. It's the same problem, similar problem. That's why I'm taking sixth one first. Prior to sixth problem, have you understood this one? Are I give some feedback?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sixth one. Find all pairs of consecutive odd positive integers. So first odd positive integer, let it be x. We are assuming it to be x. Therefore, second one will be anyone
X
consecutively. The second one will be
X plus 2.
x plus 2. Correct. Because see, if x is 1, so if you add 1 to it, you will not get odd. You will get 2, which is even. So you'll have to add 2. Okay. Now both are greater than 10. So the first number is greater than 10. The second number is greater than 10. Case 1. So which is the first number which is greater than 10, which has to be odd this time?
11.
11. Okay. So this is going to be 13. What is the total?
24.
Is 24 less than 40?
Yes.
Sum should be less than 20. Yes. So this is a valid case. So the first case is 11, 13. Total is less than 40. Case 2. Okay. So if you want to present this, somebody asked, na? So total is 23 and this total should be less than 40. Okay. This way also you can present, not a problem.
So
Now after
24.
11, 13 is there. After 11, 13 is there.
So it's 24.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Sorry. Okay. Yeah. So after 11, the next odd positive integer is 13. So after 13, which is the next odd positive integer?
15.
15. What is the total? 28.
28.
Less than 40. Quite valid. Case 3. Two consecutive odd positive integers after this are, next case is 15 and 17. 32, quite valid. Case 4, 17 and 19. What is the total?
36.
36. Will there be case 5?
No.
19 and 21. The answer is total is not more than total is more than 40, not less than 40. Okay. Clear? This is clear, guys.
Yes.
Okay. Second problem. Exercise 5. Question number 2. The first 4 papers, each of 100 marks. Rishi got 95, 72, 73, 83 marks. The average should be greater than or equal to 75. So the average should be greater than or equal to 75. So 75 lesser than or equal to average, or average greater than or equal to 75. And the average should be lesser than what? Should be lesser than what?
80.
So lesser than 80. It's not lesser than or equal to. Just take a note of it. It's only lesser than. Okay. So average is 95 plus 72 plus 73 plus 83 plus x upon 5. Less than 80. The fifth paper is x. The marks in the fifth paper is x. Okay. 5 multiply double in equation 375, and this is 323 plus x 400. Okay. Subtract 323 on both the ends. So this is 52, and this is 400 minus 323, 77. So x belongs to 52 comma 77. 52 will have a box bracket, 77 round bracket. Guys, did you understand this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Question number 2 is done. Let's go to question number 3. 3 and 4 are literally the same. So I'll just solve 3. Fourth one will be self-study. Yeah, a solution is to be kept between 68 degree to 77 degree Fahrenheit. So the Fahrenheit value of the temperature should be between 68 and 77. They're saying between. So there is no equal to at both the ends. Okay. If they think from 68 to 77, then equal to will be there. But in between 68 and 77, so 68 and 77 will not have equal to. So in Fahrenheit, the temperature is between 68 and 77. Now they have given one formula. What is the formula? 9 by 5 C plus 32. It's a fixed formula. Fahrenheit to degree. So solve this. First, you will subtract 32 on both the ends. Okay, so 68 minus 32, which is equal to 34. Sorry, 36. And 77 minus 32, which is what? 45. Now you multiply 5 on both the sides. 5 is a positive number. Inequality will not change. So 180 less than 9c less than 225. 180 less than 9c less than 225. What is the last step, guys? What
Divide
is
by
the last step?
9 on
Divide
both.
by
While dividing by 9, will the inequality change?
no.
No, because 9 is a positive number. Okay, so just divide by 9, you'll get the answer. So it will be between 20 to 25.
The answers
We will
104 and 113.
That's the
your
fourth answer.
fourth answer. Okay, check the third answer.
Okay, sir.
One last problem. One last problem, that is question number 5. It's a bit tricky problem. Okay, fourth one you can solve it for self study. That's not really a problem. We are starting with the fifth one. Yeah, be very attentive, read everything quite clearly. So liters and percentage solution of acid in it. So in 600 liters, how much percentage solution of acid is there? Read the first line and tell me. In 600 liters, how much acid is there?
12.
12%.
12%. Correct. This is the meaning of the first line. That's it. Just read the first line. We have to break down this problem into parts and solve. So let us not hurry. Next line. How many liters of 30% acid solution must be added? Okay. So we are adding X liters to this. We are adding X liters to this. By adding X liters to this, what will be the concentration of acid? What should be the concentration of acid? Bolo, bolo.
Between 15 and 18%.
No, I have not gone to that point.
Oh,
वहां तक मैं पहुंचा ही नहीं है.
okay.
600 liters में you are pouring more X liters. So what will be the concentration of acid in that? 30%.
30%.
Okay. Did you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll proceed further. So the acid contained in the resulting mixture will be more than 15%, but less than 18%. So what is the resulting mixture? Anyone? What is the resulting mixture? Resulting mixture is 600 plus X liters. This is the total acid now, total solution, okay, with us in liters. 600 पहले से था, we are adding x in it, so 600 plus x. Okay. Now the resulting mixture will have more than 15% but less than 18% acid. Okay. So 15% of 600 plus x, percentage concentration should be 15% of the total liters. Total liters is now not 600, it is 600 plus x. Okay. And it should be having less than, okay, I'll not put equal to, sorry. More than and less than, they're saying. 18% of what, guys?
600
18% of
plus
the
x.
resulting 600 plus x. Okay. Now between value, that is very critical. Between value. 12% of 600 was the initial with us. Initial percentage of acid concentration with us. Plus 30% of x. So this was added to this. And जो भी answer मिलेगा, the concentration should be 15% and 18%. So this framing might be a challenge. So go through this recording once again to revise this problem, okay? Now it becomes very simple. It's a double inequation. So first we'll solve this part and then we'll solve this part. Okay? Don't do it at once because, you know, errors might occur. So case 1 and case 2, since it is inequality, double inequality, it will be and. So case 1 and, not or. Okay? So 15% of 600 plus x less than or equal to 12% of 600 plus 30% of x. This is case 1. Okay? So we'll just multiply this 15% of 600, that is 90, plus 15% of x less than or equal to 12% of 600, that is 72, plus 30% of x. So 90 minus 72, which is 18, less than or equal to 30 minus 15, which is 15% of x. 15 upon 100 x. So 18 into 100 upon 15. By mistake, I wrote equal to, sorry. Yeah. So when we cross multiply with all positive numbers only. No sign change. So x should be greater than what?
120.
120. So the meaning of this is x is greater than 120. Okay. Now case 2 also we are going to solve. Okay. Case 2, it's and because it's double inequation, it's not or. So case 2 is this. This is case 2. So write case 2 and solve this and tell me the answer.
So it's x is lesser than 150.
I think you need to check your answer. 72 plus 30% of x less than or equal to 108 plus
Oh, sorry, I wrote
18%
9,000
of
instead of
x.
72.
Okay. You want me to solve case 2, guys? Anyone? Please tell me, I'll solve it for you. I'll just solve. That's not really a problem. But I want you to just practice it. Okay. Anyone? What is the answer? Those who are
So
solving sincerely,
it's
tell me.
lesser than 30. X is lesser than 30.
300.
So I got 300.
Okay. So case 2. This was case 1. Case 2. X is lesser than 300. Okay. One last time I'm asking, do you want
Isn't it
me to
less
solve?
than or equal to?
1 second. No, it's only less than. How equal to?
Oh, okay.
I think I have written wrong over here.
Yeah.
This should be less than. Sorry. Okay. In the problem, they have not said less than or equal to. Okay. It's only less than. Fine. One
Okay.
last time I'm asking, you want me to solve case 2? Okay. So, number line. We are having 120 over here. We are having 300 over here. So X is case 1. Case 1 is X is greater than 120. Case 2. X is lesser than 300. So what is the common region?
120 to
And
3.
no, it is and. It is and.
Yeah.
So this is the common for both. Clear? From 120 to 300. Okay. Don't put equal to. Chalo, thank you guys.